Okay, we are facing the final episode for SoundEuphonium, and we all know there's a heat discussion about the last episode because everybody is talking about this adaptation is fine or not, but it's hard to put the final score for this without seeing the final episode. So let's just start this one. 5 days ago. Okay. Huh? 'They graduated last year. Oh my. Tiffany. Oh. Lovely picture. Connecting method, okay. For this. Sure, days ago. What's that thing? Yeah, of course. Was a little bit sad. From Asuka, I'm guessing, right? Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. Okay, you three can... Yeah. Oh, yeah. Of course. Yeah. It's like a legacy. Oh my. Enjoy UFO. Okay. She's going to America. That's so far. Oh! He's like, could be ghost. He's like shaking a little bit. Oh my god. She's actually keep the very promise from the very beginning. The season 1 to the last. Actually, if you get enough practice, you may get more nervous before this. think everybody talking about more practice make you less nervous, but for me, it's actually making myself more nervous. But when you're on the stage, it will be fine. Your body will do those things, not the brain. Yeah. Oh. Oh. All the girls cannot on stage make this. Wow. Color of rings. Yeah. These two are so soft. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wow, so sweet. Oh. Oh. Well, that's not bad. Ooh. You are still the best. Try to, keep everybody down. Calm, I mean. Oh my god, rehearsal. Okay. Certain information. Okay. Everybody have a shot here. Yeah, that's the final. It's coming. Other guys trying to cry here. It's actually a warm moment. Wow, it's everybody. A lot of I didn't know. Yeah. Yeah. Damn, this shifting camera movements is great here. Like a total conclusion. Yeah. Yeah, Fido. And let's hear this one time, I guess, because we didn't hear the whole, play. And you're gonna show that, right? Yeah, we should do this. Let's hear this. Oh. No! No play here! Oh my god, that was such a... Okay, they're part of it. This is the first one. Didn't hear the whole... Okay, the whole play. Just let's hear one of it. Uh-huh. It's the magic begin. Oh. It was so warm. Oh, victory. It's like writing that on your bat, your baseball bat here. No. Yeah. Ah, this is season 1. Oh my god, the very first. Which is bad, they're playing bad, I just remember that. Oh my god, everyone is here. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh my. Okay, second year is here. That's the season 2. Oh, so many memories. Here comes solo part. Oh, the bass. Oh my god, here comes the solo part. Yeah, let's start. Wow. Wow. Yeah, now you're president. Whoa. It's brilliant. And please tell me you got the goal. That's very important for the host. Yeah.
どこだろう。レーナは
緊張してるか。
わかんない。なんかあっという間で。
Yeah, you're on stage.
お待たせいたしました。これより
Oh.
高等学校全3年の成績を発表します。1番、型式高等学校銀賞。
いろんなことがあったこの3年間。
You got the goal because server is already being taken and you
せばどれも
just
特
no
別
way you got, you know,
大切な時間だった。
bronze.
辛かったことも悲しかったことも嬉しかったことも、それがどんな結果をもたらそうと、もう何も悔いはない。
Really, you didn't have any regret here?
3番、北氏高等学校。
Oh. Oh, that was.
ゴール
Yes! Finally, oh my god! Yeah! Ah. Wow. And that's all? I don't believe there must be something behind this, right? Because there's. Let's wait. Let's hear this. Huh. Oh, you're gonna give the. Damn it. That's a little bit like confession, but a little bit far. These two are so cute and sweet. Sensei. Oh. Wow, the final picture. Oh. Just like the whole 3 seasons, everybody's here. Oh, this is actually the final of the final. Damn, I got so many emotions here. We heard this one, right? From season 1?
始まりましたね。
はい。
今年の1年生はどうですか？
And the new year.
十分ですよ。
それは楽しみです。
Year and another year, and yeah, that's life. Nothing stop, you know.
あれから数年
Few years?
今もアメリカで音楽
Okay, this is afterward. Okay.
みどりちゃんもそれぞれ社会人
Oh my god, you become teacher here?
高校の吹奏楽部は不思議な空間だ
Yeah, this is just feel right for you.
大会のために1年間
Nobody cares about students more than her. I mean, you know.
理不尽取り返しがつかないこともたくさん起きる
So you'll be like taking Taki-sensei's place here?
でも私はここが好きだたった3年3回しかない大会に全てをかけるこの濃密な時間がたまらなく好きなの
Whoa. Gold nations, so oh my god, you're so mature. How many years? Like,
しています大前久美子です
oh my god.
新入部員の皆さん北宇治高校吹奏楽部へようこそ
Like the opening for Taki-sensei. Oh my god, this is final. This feel like there will be no other episode or like movies after this. They got gold finally. Congratulations, of course, and that's what they can do. Their best performance. We can hear that. That was great. That was very great. So this part they didn't change, of course. But think about a long term. Is that actually didn't change Kumiko's choice, of course. She still become a teacher here. As I'm saying for the last episode, she's put tons of times to organize and to pay attention to other feelings and emotions, not just focus on the playing. So yeah, she's got the results for like a leader or president more than a performancer. That's why she's choosing not to be a professional player after this. So the logic here I think is fine, but they just didn't cover everybody's hope in this one because the original light novel story is different. So we can understand a lot of people is like angry about this. And we all know the president of this club is not necessarily the most skilled one as a player, but I think Kumiko is suitable, very suitable for this job. She's doing the right choice with her career path. And yeah, much better than Taki Sensei because man, I'm not criticizing him, but because nobody can care about these students more than Kumiko. And I'm so glad they put the whole entire play, the entire performance, because there's like no complete performance in the whole season. That was strange. And combine all the conclusion shots, they put all the sad and happy memories in this one. Despite I am not satisfied with their characters, some of them a little bit out of characters maybe, but still I can give 8.1 for the whole season here. This is still the best musical anime for me. We finished this one and we may start some new anime next week. So thank you guys for following this channel and see you next anime.